returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Naipo, and for all my new subscribers, aloha and welcome. If you went ahead and saw the thumbnail, we're playing with a wig. And you're like, girl, you already have short hair. But I was always inquisitive to see what I would look like with bangs. And this girl is too impatient to go ahead and grow her hair. Now, I think for a lot of you, whether you have long hair or short hair, it's really good to invest into a wig because then we don't have to worry about coloring our hair. We got some grays that are actually coming in. I'm going to be inserting the link right here to the site. It's actually Uniwigs.com. This is from their Lavivid collection. Patsy synthetic wig. The color is actually medium brown. I'm going to be inserting another picture right here of some of the dimensions and more information on the site. I'm going to be turning the wig inside out, showing you the label right there. The adjustable straps on the side makes it very easy and comfortable for you to go ahead and adjust it to either make it tighter or looser. So I like that they have the adjustable straps on the side. I'm going to be turning it right side up and showing you the front. I'll show you what actually came in the box. In the box came the wig. Patsy came in the box, medium brown. This is what the box actually looks like. And in the box comes a weaving cap, which looks like this right here. Now my hair is very short. I normally don't wear a weaving cap, but I'm going to put it on for you anyway. It also came with 3 combs. So if you decide that you want to sew this into the wig to give you a little bit more security so it's actually staying put, you can do that. So it came with 3 combs. It also came with a fabulous brush. I love this brush. It's actually not a standard brush. This is actually a wig brush. So I loved that they put this brush in the box. Now I do have sideburns right here because of my short haircut. What's nice is that this one actually has bangs. So if I decided that I wanted to grow out my hair, or if I don't want to color my hair, I want to give myself a different style, I think that this is a great way for you to go ahead and try in wearing a wig to see whether you actually want to grow out your hair. Now I did have long bangs before, so when I saw that this one actually had some few bangs and fringes on the side, I think this one was actually perfect. Okay, so I went ahead and put on the wig cap. Now, for those of you who have much longer hair, you'll definitely need a wig cap to help to keep the wig in place. So this is what it looks like with the wig cap on. I'm going to be putting that right along my hairline right here. And let's get Patsy on to see what it looks like. Let's turn it over, find the back, and let's pop her on. There we go. Ooh. Give me a little time to adjust it. And we're going to be playing and adjusting with it. Ooh, sexy. So this is my sideburns that I have. So what I would do is probably take this and bring it down on the sides to cover that and probably tuck the rest behind my ears. Ooh, I love this. Ooh, I might be growing out my bangs. Okay, so let's go ahead and adjust it. So I'm going to be turning around, giving you a better idea of what the wig looks like in the back. So let me go ahead and turn around for you. Okay, so now this is the back of the wig. And I just love it. I think the length is actually perfect. I love that it comes down the back of my neck. I love that it has those little wispies down at the bottom, so it gives you a little bit of sexiness on the back. So let me turn around again and you get a better idea, and we're going to be adjusting it and seeing what else we can do with this wig. Okay, so now we turned around. There we go. The wig is still secure. I did not have to use the combs. I think now if I was going somewhere where it was a little bit more breezy, maybe to an event where it was at the beach in an open area, I would probably sew these into the wigs to give me a little bit more security, so then I don't have to worry about my wig adjusting. Now, the bangs are actually perfect. If I decided that I wanted to trim it a little bit, I could probably do that, but let me just tuck it a little farther back. And that actually worked out really well. I love that the wig is nice and full. Even though it did come with a brush, I could basically just use my fingers, adjust it, and just play with it. Just play with the wig and customize it to what you want. This is my regular sideburns from the front. I went ahead and just tucked the hair in the back to see how it would actually look on camera. I did it differently on this side here to show you the difference. Now what I did was take a little bit of the wig color and adjust it so it would actually cover my sideburns and tuck the rest of it behind my ears. I love it. Very easy, not complicated. Also, if you probably have one of those square headbands, you can go ahead and put that on. I actually have a pearl headband. I'm going to try and put that on and see what it looks like. We're going to be adjusting it. And actually, it kind of looks cute with a headband on. I'm going to be tucking that behind my head. I think that this is so cute. I would probably either one end up growing my hair longer or wearing this wig all the time. I'm going to take off this headband, and I think that this is a very cute wig. Very easy to get on, very comfortable, very lightweight, and not very complicated. So I think the large was perfect. I was able to measure my head and decide that the large actually works really well. And I am just in love with this wig. I think this is so cute. I'm in love. I think this one got a 2 thumbs up. This is the Patsy synthetic wig. The color is actually medium brown. I'm going to be leaving all the information on this wig down in the description bar, along with the color and the item number. So if you want to order this particular color, I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description bar. They also offered a code. I'm going to be leaving the code right here. I do not make any commission or money off of this code. This wig was actually sent to me for review, so this is a sponsored video. And I just love it. I think it's very sexy and classy. When you have shorter hair, you're able to wear maybe some cute dangling bow earrings. How fun is that with this wig? So I went ahead and took off the pearl earrings, put on some longer earrings, and this girl is in love with this wig. So I want to go ahead and thank Uniwigs for sending me, so I was able to go ahead and do this wig review and put it here on my channel. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by clicking on that subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that notification bell, because that's what's going to keep you abreast of all of the videos that I upload on a weekly basis. But what I want you to go ahead and do is to go out there, be bold, be beautiful. Don't forget to dress up. And all the way from Hilo, Hawaii, my name is Ronaldin Naipo. Aloha. Bye-bye, guys.